Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanity's Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make juicy cilantro lime chicken thighs, a very simple summer recipe that I am absolutely sure you're going to love. Let's get started, shall we? For starters, I have 1.5 pounds of boneless skinless chicken thighs. Breast will work just fine, but I personally am a thighs kind of girl. Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite. Next, I use the juice of 2 limes, which is approximately a quarter cup of lime juice. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of salt and another teaspoon of ground black pepper. Feel free to add more or less of each if you like. Next, I added 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger as well if you like, but I use ginger powder today. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and give the chicken a good mix. The olive oil will help the ingredients adhere to the chicken and help with the cooking process as well. More on that later though. In the meantime, continue to mix. Make sure that all of your chicken is evenly coated. This will allow for the best results in the end, so make sure all of your chicken gets its fair share of all of the seasonings. Next, I'm going to add 4 cloves of minced garlic. If you're a fan of garlic, add more, and if not, add less. And 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder. You can use regular chili powder as well, but I personally like the little bit of kick that the chipotle powder gives. Make sure everything is mixed well and cover it. I allow the chicken to marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, but you can let it marinate up to 12 hours if you like more in-depth flavors. Moving forward, let's start cooking. I'm coating my cast iron skillet with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and bringing it to a medium-high heat. You will want your skillet to be fairly hot because that's what's going to give your chicken the perfect flavorful char. Using a cast iron skillet or a grill skillet will be great for that if you're not grilling them on the barbecue, which I highly recommend as well. First things first, you're going to start by placing the chicken skin side down and allow for the chicken to cook for about 5 minutes until the chicken becomes golden and it starts to develop that char we're looking for. Once that char starts to develop, you can go ahead and flip them over and allow for them to cook for about 2 more minutes. I'm going to place the chicken onto a tray, and I have some fresh cilantro set aside that I'm going to top the chicken with, and also a few squeezes of lime juice when you're done. This chicken turned out oh so good, and you can use it in so many ways, such as tacos, burritos, tostadas, or just over a bed of rice. Either way, it's going to be so good, and I promise you won't be let down. Thank you so much for checking out this video today. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on my future uploads. Until next time, bye loves.